Hello guys, let me share with you how to make so many different DIYs today. So on today's video, the first thing we're going to do is just grab one of these candle holder, put a little bit of hot glue, and then we're going to put a floral foam right on top and attach it into place. Then take branches like these white branches and place it one on each side and then open them up like that so it can make it look super cute. Then we're going to do the same thing in the side. We're going to place one in the side and then in the other sides as well. We're going to take some flour and place it right in the middle and there like that, and also we're going to place more branches in the back just to fill out the whole thing like that. Once you fill out the whole thing, I'm going to take this candle holder and place it in the middle. I'm going to do two each by each side and then place a candle on top. Then I'm going to take this cute little flower and place it all around it. Just attach it with hot glue and place little flowers around it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, and so inexpensive that you guys can do for home decor. It could be for party decorations or wedding decorations. Either way that you guys decided to do, I think this came out so pretty and it's so simple to make. Now for the next idea, we're going to take one of these charter plates from Dollar Tree. I'm going to take some floral foam, attach it in the middle, and then attach flower around it. You can attach the flower with hot glue until you attach it into place. Then I'm going to take this head scratcher, spray painted in silver. I'm going to use three of these, attach them together like that. Then I'm going to put some hot glue on the top and put the plate on top. Then I'm gonna take this string and place it around it. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out once you put the glass and the candle on top. So simple and so easy that you guys can do. Now for the next idea, they have this little like wood in Dollar Tree like that, comes in this color. So I'm just gonna use four of these little wood. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab one of them like that. I'm gonna take my hot glue and I'm gonna put some hot glue like that around it, like that at the end, and then we're going to take another one and then attach it into place in there. Once you do that, just hold it into place so it can attach. We're going to do the same process in the other side. Put hot glue, make sure to put enough of hot glue in here, and then you're going to attach it into place like that. Then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Just do it to both wood, place some hot glue, and then attach the other one, and you're gonna make like a little square like that. Once you do that, I'm gonna cut some floral foam like that because we're not gonna need the whole thing, so just a little pieces like that. And then here we're going to cut like four of them because we're going to put it on each side of the wood. So go ahead and grab your hot glue, put it in there, and then attach it like that to the side of the wood. So you're going to do that to all of them until you attach the whole thing all the way around them. Make sure to hold it into place so it can attach before you let go, because if not, it won't attach really good. Then after that, just grab your flower and place it inside and there. So just go ahead and fill it up with different colors. You could do different colors. I'm doing white and red. You could also put a toothpick in the bag and then put it inside the flower and then attach it to the floor foam for a better attachment, or you can attach it with hot glue. Then I'm going to take this candle holder and place it right in the middle there. I'm going to take two of these, one after another one, put a candle on top, you guys. To make it super cute, I'm gonna take this little bling wrap. I'm gonna cut like one little long string, and you see where you see that little line, the little gap in there. We're gonna make it and place it inside there so it won't show like that thing. And it makes it look better and it looks super cute. So we're gonna do that to the top, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the bottom part as well. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, so inexpensive. This could be for home decor, but it could also be for a party decorations. This could be for wedding decorations. Decide what you want to use it for. Another way that we can do, we're just gonna go ahead and flip it around like that, and we're gonna place flour in there as well. Remember what I said, it's better to use like toothpick, place it in the flour, and then attach the flour. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fill out the whole thing all the way around it. Just fill it up like that. Then we're gonna turn it around and it turns out just like this. Then after that, I'm gonna take this candle holder and place it right on top in there, and then put your candle on top. We're gonna do another candle holder, and then we're gonna take another candle and place it in there. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. So simple, so easy, so inexpensive, and so beautiful. This one can also be for wedding decorations, or you could do it for a home decor. It's up to you. Now for the next idea, we're just gonna go ahead and grab one of this candle holder. I'm gonna take my hot glue and place some hot glue on the top like that, all the way around it. I'm gonna take a glass and attach it on top like that. Then once you do that, I'm gonna take a little small plate. You can take any small plate. And I'm going to attach it to it. So just put a little bit of hot glue at the bottom part of the candle holder and then attach the plate like there just on top. Then after that, I'm gonna take some cute little flowers and place it around it. Here you could choose any color that you guys would like. I'm gonna do some blue and some white. I'm gonna do some green there as well, just to make it extra cute. I'm gonna do the another one because I'm gonna do the same process again. You could do one small and you could also do three big. So here I'm gonna use the big candle holder, place it in the middle, put a little bit of hot glue, and place the glass on top, and then place the candle around it. So you can see I'm gonna put this candle as well inside. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. This is more like a little home decor, but it could also be for wedding decorations because either way that you guys do use it for, I think it looks beautiful. I love how this one really turns out. You could do three tall one small, or three small. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. Now, for the next idea, we're just gonna go ahead and take the little plate like that. I'm gonna take these cute little branches of gold. I'm gonna just go ahead and attach it right in the middle. Make sure to put a little bit of hot glue, a lot of hot glue, and then attach it there. Hold it into place, into it attached to the little plate like that. Then just twist it around like that so it get attached into place. And then you put more hot glue. Here you have to hold it into a little bit until the hot glue dries up so it can attach into place. Then after that, I'm gonna take the glass, put a little bit of hot glue around it, and then attach it to the little plate, but you're gonna place it like that on top. Then put more hot glue on top, put another little plate on top, and then after that, place a candle right inside there. You can also do the powder candle if you would like. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and place little cute little flowers around it if you would like, not just the gold one, just to make it a little bit extra cute. It's up to you how you guys want to do it. And this is how beautiful you guys it turns out. So simple, so easy. This is with a powder candle that you guys can do, or you can also do it with a tall candle like this one. I think either way that you guys decide to do it, it will look so beautiful and simple to do. I think this one is more like for home decorations more than a wedding or a party, but you could also place this one on the side, like with a centerpiece on each side, and I think it will also looks great. Now for the next idea, we're gonna take one of those little like square little wood like this one, and we're gonna put some ball, plain ball from the toy section. Put one there, attach another one right on top with hang glue, and then we're gonna place another one on top. Then I'm gonna place a glass right on top like that, then spray paint it in gold. And this is how cute all whites if you don't want to spray paint it. And this one's how it's turned out if you want to do it all gold. Simple and easy for a home decor. Now for the next thing, I'm going to take one of this little candle holder and a rope. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue on the top, and I'm going to take a glass and place it on top. Then I'm going to take this rope, put a little bit of hot glue, and I'm just going to go ahead and attach the rope all the way around it like that. Just attach it with hot glue. And so you do like not the whole thing, it's just like at the bottom part. Then I'm gonna take these cute little rocks, white rocks. I'm gonna place it inside, place a candle inside, and this is how cute you guys it turns out. This is like simple, easy DIY that you guys can do for home decor. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take one of these little glasses. I'm gonna take this little ring, this like a toy for the little kids. I'm gonna put a little bit of hot glue around it, and I'm going to attach it like that. Just have you have to hold it into place for it to attach. You put the hot glue like that, then you hold it into place for a little bit, and then you continue doing this until you do the whole thing all the way around it like this one. Then just to crack it up, you just twist it around. Then I'm gonna take this little like little can. I'm gonna place it on top just to hold the candle and place it in there. Then I'm gonna take these two glass, attach them together, and I'm gonna do the same process that I did before. Just go ahead and attach it in there, and then spray paint it in gold, put flowers on top, and then you can see the other one with a candle at the bottom. This is so beautiful, you guys. This could be for beautiful home decor, or it could be for party decoration. Thanks again for watching Special Creations. Let's hope you guys like this DIY video.